Good morning, dear children. In previous video, we learned about the lesson What color is that creature? It is a play. In first scene of this play, we have seen that two friends Rajaram and Shamlal are sitting under the tree and talking with each other and waiting for their friend Bahadur. And Bahadur entered there and he tells why he came late because on the way he met a herd of elephant, so he had to take a longer route. Further, he tells about his experience, what he saw in the forest near the great Buffalo Lake. He saw a strange creature, and that creature was very frightening and it was in blood red color. When Shamlan listened this, he says that he also know about that creature. He had seen that creature before, but it was green in color. After listening, Bahadur get puzzled and say, "How can that be?" It was very more. It was more terrible because of its red color, and Bahadur was sure about his color. Rajaram says, "Both you are right, except about one thing." What was the one thing? This Shamlal asks. Shamlal asks, "What is that one thing that you are both are right, but one thing is different? What is that?" Then Rajaram says about that creature. Rajaram shares his experience about the creature. He says that the creature which he saw in the jungle has a special bluish color. Bluish means dark blue color. And he had seen that creature many times while collecting herbs from the forest. After listening this, Shamla starts laughing because he thinks that it is really a funny. He's joking. Then in funny manner he says, "Why don't you ask your master, the doctor, to give you some medicine for madness?" And he look at Bahadur and say, "What do you say, Bahadur?" Shamlal says to Rajaram, after listening this, Bahadur says, "Yes, if the medicine is bitter, bitter means in Marathi kadu, let me know. Let me know means mala sang. Rajaram, I will give you some honey to mix it with. If it is bitter, then he will give sweet honey to mix it." After listening this, Rajaram get angry and he angrily says, "Shut up, you fools. It is you too who need medicine for blindness." In this way, these three friends started quarreling with each other only because of that creature, because their views were different from that for that creature. Rajaram and Shamlal shout at each other and Shamlal gets angry. Angrily he says, "I will break your head, you quack." Quack means a person who pretends to know about medicine is known as a quack. And this quarrel turned into fighting. Shamlal pulls Raja Ram by the collar and they start to fight with each other. And Bahadur pushed Rajaram and Shamlal apart and says, "Calm down," means be quiet. Shamlal and Rajaram, let's not fight over little things. Why can't we go to the banyan tree together and see what color the creature is? So they decided to go at the banyan tree and find whether that creature is really red, green, means what is the exact color of that creature. So they decide to go together. Rajaram says, "Yes, that sounds better." And Shamlal says, "Let's go straight away then." And to resolve this dispute about this creature, these three friends decide to go to the banyan tree.